Hey guys, so I've got this question from Usamo, okay, and it says that given A, B, C, D, E are real numbers such that A plus B sigma A and sigma A square is equal to 16, we have to find the maximum value of E, okay. So they have given us sum and sum of a square. First I want you to try it out and like see where can you get, because I tried it. My very first instinct whenever I see sum, okay, so whenever I see sum and sum of a squares, the very first thing that comes into my mind is Cauchy-Schwarz inequality, because we know the relationship. To find the relationship between sum of squares and sum, we use Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Like consider the variable a, b, c, d, and you consider 1 1 1 and 1, then you will get something like a square plus b square plus c square plus d square, okay, and then 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. This will be greater than a plus b plus c plus d whole square, right? So this is how you get the relationship between this and this, okay. This will be 4 obviously. So I don't know about if you know this, but this is really helpful. Note it down with yourself. Like it is really important. Note it down with yourself, okay. It is really important. So when I look at these 5 terms, my very first instinct is to use Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. If I apply Cauchy-Schwarz inequality on this, I'll get something like sigma x square would be less than sigma a square into 5, okay, because 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square would be 5, okay. So I just shortened the version. So plug in the value 8 and you get 16, and then you get 5. This is 8 square, 64 is less than 80, but this doesn't give us anything. The question is asking for maximum value of E. So I tried to do other things and I failed. In last I tried, like, why not just try with 4 and let's see what do we get. So this is how you work with Olympiad questions. You try out different approaches, you try out different things, and you see if something works out. So I tried with this a plus b plus c plus d. A plus b plus c plus d whole square will be less than a square plus b square plus c square plus d square, and it will be less than 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, right? And then I can write it again and make this 4, okay, make this 4, right? So the a plus, we have been given that a plus b plus c plus d plus e is equal to 8. So the value of a plus b plus c d is 8 minus e, like bring e on the other side, okay. So the value of this is 8 minus e whole square, and this is 16 minus e whole square. 16 minus e whole square, like a square plus b square plus c square plus d square will be here, and then you will move this on the other side, 16 minus e square, and you have got 4 multiplied with it. So this will be 64, and like this will be 64 plus e square, okay, and then minus 2, it's a 16e, and then you will get something like 4 into 16 is 64, and then you will get 4e square, right? 64 will cancel out with 64, and then you will get something like, bring this 4e square on that side, 5e square minus 16e will be less than 0. Take e common and you will get 5e. 16 is less than 0, so e is equal to 0 and e is equal to 16 over 5 are roots, okay. So it cancels out on a quadratic, it cancels out here, 16 over 5, and it is 0, okay. So e, the value of e lies between 16 over 5 and 0. So e is less than 16 over 5 and greater than 0, and the maximum value of e therefore will be 16 over 5, okay. Maximum value of e will be 16 over 5. Hope this helps. Thank you.